you are going to get a job in 90 days. Did you believe at that point when I said that?
To be
Be
really
honest.
honest, it felt like it was a long short thing to say something like that for a person who's new in this country. And like,
Within 4 weeks, you have been successful in getting a job as a physiotherapist in the UK. That's a big deal. Do you get that? Well done. So tell us,
you
what all have you done? How did you manage to get into a job within 4 weeks? What changed?
I think the main thing about it was like changing my perspective. Initially, I was really demotivated and I applied for hundreds of jobs, but I got rejections. So I was like, I need to do something else. So I joined your webinar and I was like, maybe if I do something, give this a try, maybe something will happen. And once I joined the community, I think there were a lot of things that I changed about myself, that I learned, and new skills and a lot of new information that really helped me shape how I gave interviews. So I think that's a very big bonus for
Mhm.
everyone in this community. So I think this has changed, and I think I've become really more positive about the approaches that I take in my daily life now. So I think that is a big thing that helped me.
Mhm. So positive mindset and preparing for interviews in a structured way helped you.
Yes, yes,
Yes. And
definitely.
tell
Yeah.
me, yeah, and tell me what changed in your job applications because you said you were applying for 100 plus jobs, but you are not getting to shortlisting stage. So what did you change since you joined Empower Career Hub?
So, firstly, about my CV. So, my CV was not the appropriate length that it should be. But
How
after
long or short was it?
it varied. I mean, so I saw something on YouTube, so I changed my like CV length, or I changed something else. So it was firstly 2 pages, then 3 pages, and then I kept changing it every now and then. But then I understood what the actual length of the CV should be. Then I tailored it according to that, and then used some of the things that were told at the hackathons and inner circle calls that really helped me to like write my CV down in a way that it looks presentable, understandable, and easy to gauge. And then also, I think all of the hackathons and the inner circle calls really helped me to like give an interview in a way that I can communicate myself better. Initially, I was clueless about how to answer to a lot of things, and before joining the community, I think I've given 2 or 3 interviews, and I failed at it terribly, and it was really bad. So I think it really helped me improve my communication and speaking out during inner circle calls, speaking to other members of the community. It helped me build my confidence. Like me as a person, I am not a public speaker, I'm not an extrovert. I'm extremely introvert. So for me, it is a very big thing to come out and speak to people. So that gave me the courage to speak in a safe community and where no one judges anyone and everyone is helpful. And now that we are in teams, so it's more of group activity, team engagement. So it helps in communication, coordination, helps in bringing out a lot of soft skills in us.
Okay, so hackathon is a live class every week where you have 8 missions and you go from mission 1 to mission 8. And while you're going through the missions, you have teams and you have team leads who will be leading that particular group, and you will all be coordinating with each other so that you can be the PhysioForge achievers at the end of all 8 missions. And it's a 2 hour plus call every week with Priya.
So Inner Circle Call is basically getting more updates about the community and updates about what people in the community are up to, like if they have any interviews or they've achieved something. So we celebrate their wins, and also if there are any important questions that I think it's very important to have calls like this, because there are a lot less people who guide um, anyone in a new country, and having a community where people promptly promptly help each other. Like if I have any question, I can ask any one of you and I get a prompt reply to my questions. I don't have to wait a long time and be puzzled about anything. So that's a good thing where we can share our questions and we get answers, and especially from you who's been such an experienced person in the UK. And like you being a busy person and being the lead, like a regional lead and everything, managing all of this with your job, I think giving your time to us is that means a lot to me.
Thank you for your kind words. So inner circle calls are live calls with where we take Q&A, question and answer from everyone. And it's like you don't have to wait for a long time to get your answers. You literally come there, you show up, you ask your question, you get an answer. As simple as that. Yeah. Okay. And how did your mindset change? You said your mindset changed and you started doing things. You felt confident. 4 weeks isn't a long time to have all these changes.
I was so demotivated because I had gotten so many rejections. I was so done. But in the community, when we like affirm more things, manifesting, speaking about it, getting more guidance. So that helped me change my mindset. Even the audio recordings that we listen to daily, I think that nobody appreciates it. But in the moments that I felt demotivated, I used to listen to it like 2 times a day, 3 times a day. And I think that really helped me motivate myself to like get up, get moving, do something, achieve something, work towards it. So I think that was the thing that really helped me change my mindset.
When you first came to my webinar, you would have heard my commitment saying you are going to get a job in 90 days. Did you believe at that point when I said that?
To be
Be
really
honest.
honest, it felt like it was a long short thing to say something like that for a person who's new in this country. And like it's something that is very like, oh my god, is this real? So that was a thing. But structured systems do work. And for me, I always plan things, and this was a thing that I was so puzzled about. Like, how should I plan myself in order to like get a job? So you giving us a structure and a system to work towards it, and the small modules, and they were small and they were really interesting. If it would have been a long module or a long thing, or did not have any activities, it would have been boring. So you giving us a system which was small, easy to learn, easy to understand, and a guided system that really helped.
What is it that you are happy and excited about? What is it that you're nervous about?
So I'm excited about the new opportunities that I'm going to get, like new people I'm going to meet, a new place to visit. Everything is new. That is what I'm excited about. But I'm also nervous about being performing my best at the place that I am like I'm going to. And it's just about me fitting in with the team and giving my best. I think
Mhm.
that is what I'm nervous about, but I'm most excited about joining this place.
That's the spirit. Okay, so tell us when you came to the Physio Career Masterclass, what was going through your mind and what made you decide this is it? I can try this. What was going through your mind? Honest thoughts.
I think the your confidence and the positivity that you brought during that masterclass. That was one thing. And the other thing was that I really work well in like structured things. And once I understood what the system is at Empower Career Hub, I felt like I really need a system to guide me because I was puzzled, no one to guide me, sitting there just applying on my own. And I was like, I need to do something about it. So I think these two things really helped me like to get in the system and like start something that I should do to get a job.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. And what message would you like to give those people who are stuck?
I would say please go ahead with Empower Career Hub because you get to learn a lot of things, not only positivity, and it's also more about soft skills, how to engage with an interviewer, how to get on communicating with people, improving not only your soft skills but also how to think about the future, having a vision. So I think they should actually surrender to this system and they should invest in this. To be
Mm-hmm.
honest, they should. I know a few people who have been in the masterclass, about some of my friends, and I've been pushing them, nudging them. Please get this thing done. You need this, and it will help. I believe in your system and you as well.
Thank you. Think 4 weeks. Ritika, 4 weeks. I mean, how does anyone turn around their life so much? Yeah. So the system definitely works. And I can see from the success stories that I'm getting in Empower Career Hub that it is a foolproof system only if you commit. I'm not a magician. I don't have a wand. When you join my community, I'm not going to wave it on every single physio and they get what they want. They will have to bring their energy in. That's exactly what you did.
I think discipline is really important in these kind of situations because not committing fully and not being disciplined enough to do all the things that are necessary, I think that really takes you off the line and won't help much.
Mhm. I've
You
seen some
need
of the
to
students who join calls. They are not in the same time zone, but they are like sitting in the calls. It's midnight, it's past midnight, and they're still there. I think that is commitment because they don't want to get digressed, even if they're away. They want only one thing, which is focus on getting a job. Just before we go, one more thing. There is an in-person event that Empower Career Hub is hosting for the first time to celebrate your wins. How excited are you? And what would you like to say to those in our community who should start engaging as well? Let's give one message to our own community.
I think I'm most excited to meet everyone in person because the amount of information exchange and the value they've provided in my life is really precious to me, and I would really want to thank them for their contribution. And I'm very excited to meet them. And for the people who are in this community and don't engage much, I would say please engage in the community because there's a lot of value and
Mm,
that value can only be seen once you actually fully commit to it and you will see what these values bring in your life.
mhm. All the best, Ritika, for achieving your goal within 4 weeks, going from not getting shortlisted to getting shortlisted and getting a job offer. Huge congratulations to you and keep doing the good work. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It would have not been possible without you.
Thank you.